in order to not to get not to get same output every time. Okay, so now the shuffle of keys. So shuffle cloud is completed. Now full cloud size equal this cap full cloud size is equal, this is a variable, and this cap get cloud size. Now this get cloud size is a user defined function. We'll check further where it is present in get cloud size. Okay, here is a get cloud size. So array underscore sum of this dot word array. Word array is a global array. So it counts the number of values present in the word array and returns value. So now our this cap full cloud size contains the size of the this cap full cloud size contains the size of the total word array. So this cap max equal to get this cap word array max. So this max is a variable and this max is a function. So this max variable contains a maximum, for which string it contains a maximum variable, sorry, for which string it contains maximum count, that string it returns, it will returns only count. So max count, if max count is 5, it returns 5. Okay, so return nothing. Is underscore array of word array. So it checks is underscore if whether it is a word array is a array. So so this is a conditional statement. We call this as a conditional statement, and question mark, these are the conditional operators we call. Here syntax is if condition here condition, then print, then true, else here this condition. You can even modify this statement to this type. So for just speaking, if it is array, so you can even skip these words. You can even all skip, just skip it. These statements are for whenever you want to display in the format of array or in the format of HTML. So there is no need actually. So just skip it, skip this until here to skip these words. Okay, now coming to for each this. So now we need to check the for which it contains a maximum count. So for that count we need to increase its font size or change its color. So we need to for each this cap so for each this cap word array as words dollar popularity. So this syntax is array as index as its value of, that is word array of word. So word array of equivalent to here dollar word dollar popularity is equal to words array of dollar word. Okay, this is a syntax. So here popularity implies the count of the each individual value. So dollar size is equal to get class from percent. So it will return size get class from percent. So this is a method, it seems to be this is a method. So we will check for this method. Dollar size range equal to this cap get class from percent and popularity into this cap max into 100. This is nothing but checking the percentage, checking the max value and calculating its respective percentage from its max value. So okay, we are passing the argument that comparing with the max value. So we'll check for the get class from percent. So get class from for percent, we'll check for the method. So this is the method, get class from percent. So function get class from if percent greater than or equal to 99. So we are passing the argument as a respective percentage with the maximum percentage. What are the percentage of present value with the maximum value? So if the percent is greater than 99, we are assigning the class to be 1. Else if the percent is greater than or equal to 70, if we are assigning the class to equal to. So see that if it is if else if and if else if ladder. So in this if else if ladder, only if the condition is satisfied, then it skips all this, it will skip all this percent. So only one condition is executed. So if it is greater than 99%, then it will assign the class 1 equal. So so it is returning the class. Now going to here. So we return the class. So the size range contains the class. So you can skip this all such blah blah blah. So return dollar return. So now see here, dollar return equal to dot equal to span. Span, this tag is to assign certain class. Certain means this is CSS class. This implies style class equal to, this is inline style sheets. So class equal to size word. So follow this two word, this is word, and even follow this two classes and display that word, particular word. So this is a CSS class we declared in CSS. See, this is word, this is a word, this is a word class. It will take for all the values, this take its word class, and span one dot size one. These are the different CSS styles to be displayed for depending on the count of that value. So if it is size, we told comparing the percentage, we return the size range value. The size range contains the class. So respect to it. So it will